Ever wondered what it's like to be your own boss? Let's dive into the world of freelancing and find out. Imagine this. You set your schedule, you choose your projects, and you are in full control. Welcome to the ever-expanding realm of freelancing, an increasingly important player in today's gig economy. This isn't your conventional job. Freelancing provides a unique degree of flexibility and independence. There aren't any prescribed work hours, no mandatory office spaces, and no general job descriptions. Rather, freelancers are self-employed professionals who provide their expertise and services to clients on a per-project basis. They have the liberty to select who they collaborate with, what they work on, and when they work. Sounds appealing, right? You might be curious what's behind the rising popularity of freelancing. The growth of the gig economy and digital advancements play a significant role. As we dig deeper into the digital era, the standard 9-to-5 work modality is quickly morphing. An increasing number of individuals are looking for work that allows them to have flexibility and control over their time and income. That's where technology becomes crucial. With a few simple clicks, freelancers can connect with clients globally. Online platforms have simplified the process of finding freelance work, be it graphic design, writing, virtual assistants, or programming. These platforms have erased geographical restrictions, turning the world into a freelancer's playground. In essence, freelancing is about utilizing your skills to sculpt a career according to your own rules. It's about steering your professional journey to align with your personal needs and wishes. But keep in mind, with such freedom comes substantial responsibility. As a freelancer, you're not just the talent. You're the manager, the accountant, and the customer service representative as well. It's a demanding path, but one that can be enormously gratifying. Essentially, freelancing is about leveraging your skills to create a career on your terms. Skills are the currency in the freelance world. So, what skills are in high demand? The freelance market is a vast ocean of opportunities, and to make the most of it, you need to arm yourself with the right skills. So let's dive right into it and explore the top freelance skills that are in high demand. First up, we have graphic design. From logos to websites, businesses are always in need of visually appealing designs that can capture the attention of their audience. This demand makes graphic design a highly sought-after skill in the freelance market. There are plenty of online courses and resources available for you to hone your graphic design skills. Next, we have writing. Whether it's creating engaging blog posts, crafting persuasive sales copy, or writing informative articles, good writing skills are essential in today's content-driven world. If you have a way with words, you can turn your talent into a profitable freelance career. Then there's programming. With the digital revolution, the demand for programmers has skyrocketed. Whether it's building a website or developing an app, businesses need programmers to bring their ideas to life. If you're tech-savvy and enjoy problem-solving, programming could be the perfect freelance skill for you. Let's not forget about digital marketing. In the age of the internet, businesses need to be where their customers are, online. This has led to a surge in demand for digital marketing skills, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. And last, but certainly not least, we have project management. Freelancers with project management skills are in high demand as businesses often need help managing their projects efficiently. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at multitasking, project management could be a great fit for you. Remember, all these skills can be learned and improved. There are countless online platforms where you can learn these skills at your own pace. So don't let anything hold you back. Invest in yourself, learn new skills, and keep improving. Remember, the more skills you acquire, the more valuable you become in the freelance market. You have the skills, but where do you find the work? Enter Freelance Platforms. As we venture into this exciting digital landscape, let's explore some of the top freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms are like bustling online marketplaces, brimming with opportunities for skilled professionals like yourselves. Upwork, for instance, is a platform that caters to a wide range of professions, from writers and designers to programmers and consultants. It's like a virtual job fair where you can showcase your skills and be matched with clients looking for your expertise. Then there's Fiverr, a platform known for its unique gig-based system. Here you create a gig showcasing a specific service you offer, and clients can buy these gigs. It's a great place for creatives and professionals willing to offer their services in a packaged, easy-to-understand format. Freelancer, on the other hand, offers a competitive environment where clients post jobs and freelancers bid to win the projects. It's a thrilling platform if you love the challenge of outbidding competitors and proving your worth to potential clients. These platforms work as the bridge connecting freelancers to clients. They provide a structured environment where work is commissioned, completed, and compensated. They offer a variety of jobs from short-term tasks to long-term projects, and from entry-level roles to expert consultancies. Moreover, they offer an element of security. Payments are held in escrow until work is completed to the client's satisfaction, and disputes can be mediated through the platform's support system. But perhaps the biggest advantage is the exposure to a global clientele. You're no longer restricted to local or even national markets. These platforms open up a world of opportunities. Literally. Remember, building a successful freelance career on these platforms requires patience and persistence. You'll need to create a powerful profile, bid competitively, and consistently deliver high-quality work. It might be a challenge initially, but with time, you'll build a reputation that will have clients seeking you out. These platforms are your launchpad into the freelance world, connecting you with clients from all over the globe. Ready to dive into freelancing? Here are some steps to get you started. First, identify your skills. These could be anything from your knack for designing logos to your fluency in multiple languages. Don't undervalue your talents. They're your ticket to a successful freelance career. Second, set up a professional profile on a freelance platform. This is your virtual shopfront, so ensure it's polished and compelling. Include a profile picture, a well-written summary, and a portfolio showcasing your work. Third, start bidding for jobs. Don't be disheartened if you don't land a gig immediately. Perseverance is key. Also, remember to bid wisely. Underbidding might get you a job, but it may also undervalue your work. On the other hand, overbidding might deter potential clients. Fourth, once you've landed a job, it's time to get to work. Ensure you deliver quality work and meet your deadlines. This will not only satisfy your current client, but also increases your chances of getting more jobs in the future. Finally, manage your projects efficiently. This means staying organized, tracking your time, and meeting your deadlines. Remember, your reputation as a freelancer is built on the quality of your work and your reliability. Embarking on a freelance career might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can navigate this journey successfully. So, we've explored the world of freelancing, from understanding what it is, identifying top skills, leveraging platforms, and starting your journey. We've seen how freelancing can provide an escape from unsatisfying jobs, leading to financial independence and success. By leveraging your skills and using various strategies such as targeting niche markets, offering premium packages, and automating tasks, freelancing can become a lucrative career. Remember, the freelance world is full of potential. It's a place where grades and traditional paths to success are less important than your skills, determination, and ability to deliver value. It's a realm where you can take control, set your own goals, and work towards them at your own pace. We also highlighted the importance of choosing the right platforms to showcase your skills and how to start your freelancing journey, emphasizing that the first steps can be challenging, but also rewarding. Remember, as a freelancer, you're in control. Your success is in your hands. Your freelance journey begins now. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be considering a freelance career. Your engagement helps us to create more content tailored to your needs. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to delve into in our upcoming videos, drop a comment below. We value your feedback and are always eager to provide information that can help you on your freelance journey. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Hustle Pursuit. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we drop new content, ensuring you stay ahead in this fast-paced freelance world. So, what are you waiting for? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your freelance journey is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep hustling.